Well, hello there. What we're doing now is continuing on with the wiring schematics and the loom installation. And what I've got there, what you can actually see there is the regulator. The chassis is on its side so that I've got good access to it without having to lean too far over it. But at the moment I'm scraping away some paint so that I can get a good earth, because this happens to be the earth that's required for the regulator itself. Don't forget in this BN1 I've got the positive actually acting as the earth and the negative acting as the live wire. So all I'm doing, and all you can see here, is the wiring the correct color code, and on the cap of the regulator you can see some squiggly numbers. They're actually telling you which connection is which, and so it's a matter of matching the cables, the cable colors, to the correct fitting that you can see, and at the same time just nipping back, screwing the individual, twisting the wires and fitting them as appropriate. The job is fairly tedious. I mean, it's interesting for me, I suppose, but how you people out there are taking it, I don't know. But there you go, I've sped it up to 6 times the speed, and hopefully it's going to be quite interesting for you. So let's back that up with a bit of music, and let's just push on for a little while. Okay, what you see in this section here is the stop lamp switch. So that's a hydraulic pressure switch, and as you can see, there's a four-way hydraulic connection, which is the that T intersection that you see. That's upside down, and on the bottom, which is where those two screws are, you'll see that the wires just need to be fitted there. So again, correct color code and just fitting it straight in, and this is the hydraulic stop switch. What that means is you put your foot on the brake, it increases the pressure in the hydraulic line, and under spring tension pushes a button, which is that silver thing that you see there. It's got a hydraulic pressure switch. So that's how that feature works. Okay. Oops, I didn't realize here that I hadn't done the pressure switch up, so I just need to go and get some Teflon tape and just tighten that whole mechanism up. Okay, so moving right along, this is the car horns. Okay, again, don't forget the chassis on its side, so that I can work, in this case, over the top or either through from underneath. So I'm just crimping those, or about to crimp those, to connect up the horns. I'll come back to this area later on in the video, because I've got an issue with it.